Hey, I'm Matt Govenda from mattgovenda.com, and today we're going to teach you how to draw mountains in Photoshop. First, we're going to open up Photoshop. So here I'm going to open up Adobe Photoshop CS4. Well, if Photoshop is open, then what we're going to do is we're going to go make a new file, and we're going to make it 400 by 400 pixels. Click OK. Once you have this open, we're going to make the basic shape of the mountain. So we're going to grab the polygonal lasso tool, which is right here. And once you have it, you're going to start on the lower part. And you'll see the line there as it drags out, and hold down Shift so you make a straight line. I can get to a certain point, and then I'm going to head up here and basically just make it jagged. Then add some variation. And when you get back to the thing, it'll be a circle. You're going to go down, and you're going to hit the circle. The light blue here is the front color, and so we're going to make this a dark brown. So you click that, and then you go up here and you click OK, and then you go to the paintbrush over here on the left-hand side, and you're going to fill that in. Go up to the select tool, or you go up to the marquee tool, and then you click on here to get away from having that selected. Now that you've got that as your foundation, you want to make a new layer, which is down here in the right hand corner in the layers tab, underneath the layers tab. When you create the new mask, you'll see a layer 1. What we're going to do is we're going to make a white cap on this mountain. So we're going to go back to the polygon tool, and we're going to start right on the right hand side here, and we're going to go down and just kind of, there's no real method necessarily to this, but you're going to want to go to the edge of it through the majority of the top. Once you get all the way around, she'll connect it up again. Once you see the dots kind of moving like that, you'll go back over here where you have the brown color picked out, and you're going to pick a light tan. Actually, let's just go white. Click white, click OK, and then you go back to the paintbrush, and you fill that in. You're going to press M for marquee, and click on it, and you're selected away from it. I'm Matt Govenda from mattgovenda.com, and we just finished making a mountain in Photoshop.